Yo, good day. Let's go hustle, family. Hope everybody is having a tremendous day and many blessings to you guys. Look, check me out. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the vehicle purchase process. I want to go into further details about it. When you go to these dealers, you hold the power. So remember that you make the decisions, you make the calls whenever you're in the dealership, right? You are going to go into the dealership with a credit score that you already know. You know your credit score is already solid, right? You know it's going to be there to back you, right? But when you hold the power in the dealership, they can't swing you in the way that they want you to go, right? So the best thing to do, if you want to run the Navy Federal play for the vehicle purchase, or if you want to run the Bank of America play for the vehicle purchase, based upon your credit profile, they're going to give you approvals for a certain amount of limits. So you're already going to have a number in your head that you're approved for from the banks. So your job is to go to the dealership and make sure the dealership is giving you the best monthly note, right? Don't go into that dealer and have them drag your name, 30 times through lenders and things like that. You go in the dealership and you let them know what's up. Hey, my name is so-and-so. I'm interested in this car. How low could we get this monthly payment? What type of discounts can you put on it? Basically how much can they hook you up with or save you on the vehicle? Tell them, look, I already know where my credit's at. I'm a 750. I already know what my profile's looking like. I don't want to pay a down payment. And then I know how y'all's process works. I know you're going to pull my name with thousands of different lenders. I don't want that. I already have the money right now. I already have a check from Bank of America. I already have an approval check from Navy Fed. I already have an approval check from GM Financial or Ally Financial or whoever you choose, right? Those plays are the best plays because those banks are going to give you better rates than the car lots, right? Most of the time. And on top of that, you're already going to have the money. So you got the power. You don't go in the car lot and let them give you their terms and things like that, right? So when you go into these dealerships, remember, you hold the power. If you've come through our program, you got the good credit. You got capital to back you. And then if you do it the way that I do it, like with Bank of America, running that play where you already got the money, you already got the approvals, basically you're just going to give them a check. Then you make sure you get your monthly note as low as possible. That's our goal, to keep our monthly expenses down, right? And then if you go to these dealerships or you don't want to use the Bank of America method or the Navy Federal method, or you can't get approved for that, remember, Mr. Jeremy Tate in the community, his one job is primarily to beat every competitor's price. So if you give him a price, obviously on a new vehicle, right, from a lot, a legitimate, resource, not your friend down the street or anything that sells cars, an actual lot. You give him those numbers, I guarantee he can beat them. It's his one job. His one job is to make sure that you guys get the best deals, the best rates, and he ships everywhere in the country. So remember that when you're in these dealerships, do not let them take control. You take control. You know where your credit's at. You know what kind of position you're in, and you know exactly where you want to be monthly. Work on getting that monthly down for you. Work on getting a low interest rate, and you will win, and you'll have your fleet will be exactly where you want it, so you don't spend a lot of money. So yeah, if you guys need any more insight on this, feel free to hit me up or ask in the questions section of the Skool community. Appreciate you all. Hope you have a blessed day.